Hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. Today I'm going to answer the question, does hot glue hold up on fabric in the wash? Well, I'm going to take this pillow and I'm going to show you if hot glue holds up in my washing machine. Okay guys, thanks for stopping back. A few months ago, I made this pillow. This is a no-sew pillow, and I made it using hot glue. It's an envelope pillow, and it was really so easy to make using one piece of fabric. Well, after making this pillow, I got a lot of feedback on it, and it's a beautiful pillow, but a couple of the questions I got centered around whether or not I could wash this pillow, being that it was made with hot glue. And honestly, I couldn't answer that question because I've never washed this pillow before. And even though I've made a couple other pillows using hot glue, I've never washed the pillowcases with in the wash. I've spot cleaned them, as you do with a lot of pillowcases that you purchase. The manufacturers call for spot cleaning. But since this pillow is an envelope type pillowcase that I made, I can just take this off. And what I'm going to do is we're going to answer the question today, if this pillowcase can be put in the wash. I'm thinking, yeah, I'm going to try a gentle cycle and see how it turns out. So for those of you who asked me that question, does hot glue hold up in the wash? We're going to answer it right now. Still looks good. Seems intact. So I'm going to throw it in the dryer real fast. You can still see the seams here. So let's throw in the dryer real fast. So the answer to the question is yes. Yes, hot glue does hold up on fabric in the wash. I used a gentle cycle and threw this in the wash. And I just pulled it out of the dryer. It's a little wrinkled. I did have some fabric softener in there. I threw a fabric sheet in there, but still a little wrinkled. But all the seams are intact, as you can see. Oops, what's that? All the seams are intact. As you can see, everything's held up well. So this was a gentle cycle and low heat in the dryer, but it seems to be fine. So I'm going to put it back on the pillow. You could use an iron or steam, but we're not going to do that. So I'm going to put it back in. And see if it can withstand being put back on. So that's a good, I guess this is a good experiment. I'm glad I had these, a couple of viewers to the video who asked specifically if I knew if this hot glue would hold up. And you know what? I did this thinking, I made these pillows thinking this was temporary, and just as a quick DIY, if you wanted to make some pillows without spending a lot of money. I'm looking for any kind of, see if there's anything breaking on the seams or anything, but it seems to be okay. I could just get it in here. I think it would be okay. Again, I spot wash. I prefer to spot wash these pillows and not go through a cycle or put them in the wash machine. But just for the sake, I just wanted to answer that question. I don't know how many washes this will hold up under. I wouldn't press my luck. It does appear to have held up this one wash with cold water in a gentle cycle. So it does appear to have held up. But I would recommend just spot cleaning these. And there you have it. So I think this answers the question. Again, I would, there are the seams still together. Again, I would just not, I wouldn't press my luck with the hot glue. I think you can get away with a wash on a gentle cycle, and, but I wouldn't press it to make this a routine where I was washing these pillow covers routinely, because just like with anything, I think with the detergent, it may break down the glue. But you asked and I answered, so I'm glad that I was able to do this little demo today to show you if hot glue holds up in the wash. If you have any other questions, please leave them down in the comments. And I want to know how many of you have actually made pillow covers, or anything like that using hot glue to keep them together. If you've experimented with hot glue and making some pillow covers, please comment below. I'd like to hear from you as well. So I hope this was helpful, guys. I appreciate you watching. I hope you liked the demo. And if I can demo something else for you, by all means, let me know. For my returning friends, thank you so much. And if you're new out there, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I'm usually talking about thrifting, home decor, upcycling home decor, and just a few DIYs from time to time. So if you like that kind of content, by all means, join the fam. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.